Entry number 3, the www.scispot.com chemistry/chloroform. How many times was that site visited?
According to the history, 84 times.
It was one of the biggest moments for the prosecution during Casey Anthony's murder trial.
Now the computer expert who testified that someone searched for chloroform 84 times says that site was only accessed once. And he says he made detectives and prosecutors aware of that discrepancy before the end of the trial.
West 2's Bob Keeling joining us live right now. And Bob, you spoke to this witness. This is a major piece of testimony that was wrong the whole time.
Yeah, this was really emphasized by the state, these 84 searches for chloroform. It was a big part of their theory of premeditation. And today, the man who gave that testimony told West 2 that if Casey Anthony had been convicted of murder, he was prepared to notify her defense team personally.
Were you on that website 84 times?
Prosecution's testimony that someone searched the Anthony's home computer for how to make chloroform 84 times was their key to theory of premeditation during Casey Anthony's recent murder trial. But now the Canadian software designer who testified to those searches says his program was wrong and only one search was done. In a release, John Bradley said he notified detectives and prosecutors before the end of the trial. I was prepared if she was found guilty, Bradley told West 2, to call the defense team.
Was there a disclosure? Was it timely? And was it done in a reasonable way?
West 2 legal analyst during the trial, Judge O.H. Eaton, says U.S. Supreme Court case law and the rules of professional conduct required prosecutor Linda Drain Burdick to notify the court if false testimony had been presented. How serious is it?
Well, in a death penalty case, it could be very serious. It could be very serious.
Serious enough that criminal defense attorney Richard Hornsby says it could help Casey Anthony's upcoming appeal of her conviction of lying to investigators.
It's a little bit of a stretch, but when you're talking about withholding evidence of this magnitude in a death penalty case, it would be hard for the defense not to be able to at least argue that with a straight face to an appellate court.
Now, we've been waiting for a statement all day long from the state attorney's office. However, in an initial phone conversation, they pointed out that Jose Baez did address this discrepancy in his closing argument, but that may not answer the question, was it disclosed to him? And we'll have more on that coming up all new at 5. Reporting live from in front of the state attorney's office in Orange County, I'm Bob Keeling, West 2 News.